Okay, so I have a Yamaha vstar 650 and my flasher has gone out. It's an old bike and I've heard other people have the similar issues. And to replace this flasher, it's really expensive. These OEM ones, you can find a used one too, but they're also very expensive. I think I found the cheapest one was around like 50, 60 bucks. And I got these third-party ones from China, I guess made in China. This was only like $5 and I got two of these. So this is what I'm going to be replacing it with. I'll put the link in the description below. So original one is this Danso FB257H. Basically this is how it gets plugged in. I can pull it out. So that's what it looks like. It has 5 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the middle one is empty. That's what it is. And this is what it gets plugged into. So this one, what I did was pulled out those two top wires. So you have a 3 at the bottom, 3 wires. And there was a wire here and the wire there, 2 on the top. Right here and right here. And then the middle one was empty. So this side, if you're looking from the top, I guess, this one had this brown wire in it. And this right side had a brown with white stripe. So what I did is flipped it around and basically with a small screwdriver just kind of pushed it in to this slot, this side and that side. And that basically pushed these pins out. So once they're out, this is what I'm going to be plugging in into the new flasher that I have. This, I'm just going to put it back in the way it was. And just grab the other one. And that's the other one. It was like $5. I got it from Amazon. It says DC12V CAN FM flasher. And also the other thing is, if you guys are replacing your turn signal with LED ones, there's an issue with the hyper flash. I think if you do this, that would solve that issue as well. So this one has 2 pins. There are other flasher which is 3 pins or 4 pins. That doesn't work for me. So this one says B on it, and this one say L. I have this brown wire is going to go into B, and the brown with the white stripes is going to go into L. If you connect them in the wrong order, it's not an issue. Your turn signal is just not going to work, and then you'll have to just replace or to switch the wire around. No big deal. Basically, it's just going to get plugged in there, and this is going to get plugged in there. Yeah, it's a little tight. And there we go. There we go. And I'll just tug it in somewhere in there. Also have these things just hanging out here. I'm going to close these, push them in there. But that's basically it. And now I turn it on. The flasher should be working. Turn the bike on. And turn to the left. Here. It's blinking. Turn to the right.